Hello friends, in this video we will see RecyclerView in Android Studio. What is RecyclerView? How it's work? We will see now. Okay. RecyclerView is nothing but it's an advanced version of the list view. All the applications which are in the list view that's all are converted into the RecyclerView. Then why you prepare the RecyclerView instead of the list view? The list view has some problems like the memory issue, and the list view is very slow. When you add the item into the list view, if you scroll, the scroll is not as smooth in the list view, but in the recycler view it's smoother than the list view. Okay, list view has some problems like memory, it's slow, etc. Okay. And one more thing, the list view is a legacy which is developed in the Android version of the 1.0 only, but the recycler view is which is developed in the Android version of the 5.0. Then after the KitKat 4.4 is the KitKat. Yeah. It's developed in Android version of 1.0. But the RecyclerView developed in Android version of the 5.0. Okay, now we'll see how to use the RecyclerView. Okay, for this I will take one design. First we'll open the new studio. Remove the hello world text view. Change the constant layout to the linear layout. Change the orientation to the vertical. Okay, before that first we need to add the recycler library to our project. We'll open the project. Just wait a second guys, it's stuck. One second. Okay, now I'll open the project. Go to the Gradle script. Open the Gradle script modulo app. Now we'll add the recycler. Just copy that app compat and paste below the constraint layout. It will take some time. Yeah, just wait. I have only 4 GB RAM, that's why it's sometimes it will stop. Okay, remove that app compat. Change it to the RecyclerView. And sync now. There is an option. Yeah. Okay. Now the recycler library is synced. Now we'll go to the design part. Okay, I will take one plain text and one button. I will add something into the edit text. When I click on the button, that will be stored into the recycler view. This is our design. Remove the name, give one hint as a enter name. We'll add the recycler. Okay, select the second option or the third option. Width should be match parent. Okay, height should be always wrap content. Don't take the height as a match parent. Okay, now initialize edit text and button. Text E variable E and the button variable B. And RecyclerView. I will declare the variable as a RC. And to store the element, we will take an array list. I am sending the data names, that is this is a type string. Change the type, give the type as a string. Variable declare as a AL. Okay, now we will initialize the text button RecyclerView and array list. Equals to initialize by using find u by id dot id dot id text. We need to give the ID for the RecyclerView also. ID. I will give the ID as a recycle1. RC equals to initialize by using the find u by ID or dot ID dot. Okay, now initialize the array list. There's a type string. Now we need to take our own adapter. This is my adapter. I will take a variable as I am. Okay. Before that, I will create on we need to declare one more variable, that's linear layout. It is not okay. It's going to be a linear. Okay. Linear layout manager. Variable as a manager equals to by using the linear layout, the process will be speed and the scroll will be smoother, okay, as compared to the list view. Okay, these parameters are fixed. That's this comma linear layout manager dot vertical comma false. Okay. I will write my adapter m equals to new my adapter. Okay, now we'll create our own design for the text view of the RecyclerView. Go to the resource section, go to the layouts, right click new layout, new resource file, layout resource file. File name should be row.xml. remove the linear layout, change it to the text view. I'll change the text color as black. Change the text size to the 25 sp. Okay. Now I will change the background also. I should be wrap content. Okay, we'll give match pattern also. Yeah. Okay, this is the background for the text view. Okay, we are sending only one data, only one text view is enough. This comma r dot layout dot row, this is our own design, that's why I'm going. Okay, and here this is for the connection between array list and the my adapter. Okay, now we'll write the my adapter class public class my adapter, that is extends RecyclerView dot adapter type. Okay, adapter, choose the second one, adapter dot view holder. We need to type the entire thing, view holder. Okay, flower bracket, close. Click on the view holder, right click, enter. Now click anywhere in the middle, alt enter. Alt enter here also. It's the same like the list view, it is also contain the 4 methods. Okay guys, if you don't have any idea about the list view, please watch the list view, my last video, you will understand everything. Okay, here also alt enter. Okay, it will create the constructor. It also contains the four methods, same like the list view. rc dot set adapter m. This is for the connection between the RecyclerView and the my adapter. Okay, in the view holder we need to declare the variable text view t. Okay, this is for the text view in the RecyclerView. Now t equals to find you by id. First we need to give the id to the text view. Okay, in the list view we need to write the v dot find you by id, but in the RecyclerView there is a super item view. First we need to write the item view dot. I will write find you by id r dot id dot. Okay, there is no id for the text view. Go to the row xml. We'll first give the id to the text view. Text one as id. Text one. Okay, all the variables should be initialized in the view holder only. Okay, in the earlier list view we are initializing all the thing in the list view folder view method. Here view holder method we need to initialize only the variables. Okay, and go to the item code, same thing, array size, we require the array size l dot size. Okay, now we'll go to the inside the view holder method, view v equals to get layout inflator dot inflate or dot layout dot row. Here one more parameter is there, comma parent this comma r dot layout dot row parent comma false. Remove this only r dot layout comma row r dot layout dot row comma parent comma false. Now we need to get the view holder. View holder is vh equals to take a variable as a vh. We need to return the value of the view. That's why from the through the view holder we need to return the value. View holder we need to give the v. Now return the value, return the variable vh. This is over. I will go to the onBlind view holder method. String s equals to l dot get position Now we need to set the value to the text view. T dot set text. Which value? String value. Whenever you are getting anything into the string, that will be stored from the array list to the string. After that I need to set that value to the set text. We need to give the not only t dot set text, we have to use the holder dot t dot set text. Now the thing is now we'll run and see. Before that we need to give the on click listener for the button. B dot set on click listener, new capital V type on click listener. String name B dot get text dot to string. I will set that name to the array list. A dot add a name. E dot set text for the refreshing the text. M dot notify data changed. If you add any something to the array list, remove. And E dot request focus. Now we'll run and see. Sometimes it is not. I need to change. I have given something. For the recycler we need to set the linear layout manager also. RC dot set linear layout manager. The variable of linear layout manager is manager. Now we'll run again. It's again showing here. What's the mistake I did? Okay, change the match parent to the wrap content. Height is always should be the wrap content. Don't give the height to the match parent. Okay. What the mistake I did? Okay, once again. Okay, set text. We need to set the value of s. Now it's clear. Okay, when you are getting the array, when you are getting the element from the array list and storing to the string s, and I'm passing that s to the text view. Okay, now we'll run and see it. Okay, definitely come on. Yes, okay. I will enter 19. Now is came background of the text view also changed. Okay, this is how the recycler view works. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.